Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is exactly why Microsoft doesn't get it and doesn't have trust of its users. So when you set up Windows 11, one of the things that it will ask you is if you want to give permission to OneDrive in order to back up your system. And it will then follow what you have requested. Say no, don't want it? Okay, fine. Now, in the latest versions of Windows 11, when you install, it doesn't ask you, and it turns it on by default. Which means if you install Windows 11, if you install Windows 11 with a Microsoft account, the OneDrive app will automatically start syncing your settings, your folders like pictures, documents, and so on. It will just do it, and you might not even know about it if you don't know what OneDrive is really, and you won't even know about it because it's not telling you. This is a finding that has been done in the past few weeks, and what is the question here? Is it a glitch, or is Microsoft just, doing what it does and continuing the same way of working that just makes everybody not want to trust them? This is another tile on top of the I don't trust Microsoft for everybody, because when things like that happen, people don't trust the company and people have a hard time with Microsoft. And, a big chunk of Microsoft's recall of the recall feature is trust. They understand that something bad is going on and that they're trying to fix it. Well, it's not by turning on the OneDrive feature by default in Windows 11 installs that you will fix that problem of having a good image. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.